Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Family Dollar. I've got good deals, glitches, plus a few 5 off $25 scenarios to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a lot of videos for you guys this week, so if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Family Dollar, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each item with your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into our good deals and glitches. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not, hopefully not, but my throat's a little bit scratchy today, so I'm not going to, talk you through each individual deal because these slides are pretty self-explanatory. Just pick up the product, use the coupon, and then it shows you what you're going to pay after that coupon is applied. Some of these deals are from the last couple of weeks, but a lot of them are brand new. So I'm going to turn on a little background music, and then I'll be back with you guys here in just a few minutes with some 5 off $25 scenarios. Alright guys, so there you have it for our good deals and glitches. Now I want you guys to keep in mind that a lot of these coupon matchups will still be good for next week as well. So now that we're through with that, let's go ahead and talk about some 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, January the 21st at Family Dollar. Alright, so for our first scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the General Mills or Post cereals priced at $3.25 each, and you can mix and match. 2 of the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts priced at $2.45 each. 1 of the Del Monte 4-count fruit cups at $2.75. 4 of the Knorr pasta sides at $1.25 each. 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste priced at $2.75. 2 of the Suave Cocoa Butter body washes priced at $1 each. 1 of the Dove bar soaps priced at $1, and 1 of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.15. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 at General Mills and Post cereal, the 3 off 2 Kellogg's products, the 1 off 1 Del Monte fruit cups, the 1 off 4 Knorr pasta sides, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 150 off 1 Dove product, and the 175 off 1 Airwick product. And that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $8.40 for 14 items, making each one just 60 cents each. Now, keep in mind that on that Dove 1-count bar soap, it might be priced at $1 or $1.25 at your store. But either way, the coupon is for $1.50 off of 1. So, unfortunately, at Family Dollar, they do not give us overage, but that will completely adjust down and make that product free. Alright, now for our second scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave men's body wash priced at $1.50 each, 1 of the Axe deodorants priced at $2.75, 1 of the Bic men's or women's razors priced at $6, 1 of the Poise pads priced at $5.75, 1 of the Pond's face cream priced at $2, 1 of the Dove 1-count bar soaps at $1, 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $2.75, and 1 of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.50. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 1 off 1 Axe product, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 3 off 1 Poise products, the 1 off 1 Pond's product, the 150 off 1 Dove product, the 2 off 1 Colgate, and the 175 off 1 Airwick product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $6.75 for 9 items, making each one just 75 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, here is my favorite scenario for this week at Family Dollar. You want to pick up 1 of the Angel Soft bath tissue 12-count with the scented tubes at $5, 1 of the finished 14-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, 2 of the Febreze air fresheners priced at $3.25 each, 1 of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.25, 2 of the Suave Cocoa Butter body wash priced at $1 each, 1 of the Vaseline petroleum jellies priced at $2, 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $2.75, and 1 of the Dove bar soaps priced at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the 150 off 1 Finish, 330 off 2 Febreze products, 175 off 1 Airwick product, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 1 off 1 Vaseline and Pond's products, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 150 off 1 Dove. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $7.80 for 10 items. But then this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue with the scented rolls. And then we also have a 75-cent rebate back on the finished Powerball dishwasher tablets. So that is going to make your final price $6.05 for 10 items, making each one just 60 cents each. And for those of you out there who stick around and watch my videos all the way through until the end and hit that thumbs up button and leave me smiles down in the comment section below, I wanted to share an extra freebie deal with you guys. So right now on Fetch Rewards, we have 100% back on the Klondike cones. So you can actually pick up 2 boxes of these at any store. Then all you have to do is open up your Fetch Rewards app, take a picture of your receipt, and they are going to give you 100% of your money back in points. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, right now would be the perfect time to do that. And if you use my referral code, which is on the screen here, as well as down in the description box below, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because hey, those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.